If you're setting up Skool for online mentorship, you want a system that's simple, engaging, and actually helps you manage students effortlessly. But here's the thing, while Skool does some things really well, it also has limitations that might make you reconsider. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step, plus some game-changing alternatives you might want to consider. And at the end, I've got an exclusive extended free trial just for you. First, sign up for Skool and create your community. Skool is built around a Facebook-style group where students interact, ask questions, and access learning materials. But here's a heads up, it lacks private coaching tools, so if you do one on one mentorship, you'll need something else. Next, set up your course structure. Skool keeps it super simple. You upload videos and PDFs, and that's basically it. There are no advanced course features like quizzes, certifications, or progress tracking, which some mentorship programs rely on. Then, monetize your mentorship. Skool makes this easy with a built-in subscription model, but there's no one-time payment option unless you use external tools. That means you're locked into monthly memberships, which might not work for all mentorship programs. The next thing is community engagement. Skool's biggest strength is its gamified community, where students level up by participating. This boosts engagement, but it also means you'll rely heavily on discussions rather than structured learning. If you want deep, transformative mentorship, a more feature-rich learning platform might be better. Finally, automation and AMP, integrations. Skool is pretty limited here. You don't get direct email automation, CRM features, or detailed analytics. If you need advanced tools, you'll have to connect external software, which adds complexity and extra costs. So, is Skool the best for online mentorship? It depends. If you just need a basic community with simple content delivery, it's great. But if you want deeper mentorship features, *** coaching calls, progress tracking, or better course customization ***, there are alternatives that do it better. I've put together an exclusive extended free trial for Skool and also listed some powerful alternatives that might fit your mentorship style even better. Check the link in the description to get the best free trial and bonuses that are only available to our viewers.